How you doing, everybody? Here to walk you through a job we did back in the summer of 2019. This is made out of the Techo-Bloc Semma wall system, and we're using Techo-Bloc Blue 60 pavers on this as well. So here's a little video of the before. This was just a pretty unusable backyard, nothing but grass. So these customers wanted to turn this unusable space into a beautiful outdoor living space, and I certainly don't blame them. Here's a clip of us excavating. So at the time, I was working for my cousin's company, whose machine this is and truck it is. He sold the job. I was just in charge of installing it. But he's got some nice equipment. If you've seen some of my older videos, you see this excavator in it a lot. The model is a KX040-4, and it's about a 10,000 pound machine. So along with the patio and wall install, we had to do some drainage work, which we dug a dry well. It's about 4 feet deep right there, filled it with some open grade base stone, and we connected all the downspouts into a drainage pipe that led to that dry well, so that all the water coming from the top of the roof can go through the drainage pipes, down that slope, and then into the dry well so it can slowly permeate down into the subsoils. Once that drainage was all connected and all set, we laid out the rest of our geotextile fabric, and we're good to backfill with 3/4 inch clean crushed stone, otherwise known as open grade base. So the hump you see under the fabric right there at the bottom of the screen was actually a very large boulder that we were not pulling out. It's about 8 inches below the top of our grade, so we just covered it with fabric and we're backfilling over it. So we're on to building the wall. For this project, we were building a sitting wall, so we had to build the retaining wall behind the sitting wall. So we used the colored Semma blocks from another project that we weren't going to use again to build that back wall in the bottom row, so that we can just use the block up since you won't see it. But just like any well-built retaining wall, you need some good drainage stone behind it, about 2 to 3 feet minimum, and you need geogrid every 2 rows, which is what we used here. And then the most important part is that geotextile fabric that you see underneath our base stone and behind our backfilling stone. And once we had that done, it's on to laying these pavers, which if you want to know more about and you're a new viewer, please feel free to check out the channel. I have a lot of how-to videos and project playlists that bring you through projects like this from beginning to end. So make sure you check out the channel and you can see all that kind of stuff. But so here's the end result. All the products on this job were made by Techo-Bloc. The wall block is called Semma. The cap for the wall is called architectural cap. Our main pavers are called Blue 60, and the border is called Hollandstone. That fire pit is called the Valencia fire pit, and the pavers, the fire pit, wall block, wall cap is all of a color tone called Shale Grey, and the border is called Onyx Black. But I really love this little sitting area here. I think it turned out excellent. And it all has undercap lighting as well, so it's nice and lit up at night. So if you like this project, guys, hit that thumbs up, and you know the deal. Until the next video, God bless, peace.